Hello there and welcome to my weekly email readout. So, as you probably guessed, every week I send out an email telling you all about the things that we've got coming up training wise with Clockwork Eye Video. So I hope you've had a brilliant weekend. I hope that you're ready to rock and roll into another week of video greatness. And essentially, we've got something new for you. We got a weekly task or challenge, if you like, where what we're going to do is we're going to set a task or challenge for you to complete. You have to complete it within the week and send the link to your video before the following Monday. And basically then, if you are our winner, then you will win 20 minutes of free video editing, which you can either use as a one-off or you can accumulate and you can build up and then you can use it on a bigger project. So yes, so this week's challenge is going to be to record a behind the scenes video of your workplace. So if you have a nice grand workplace which you like to show off, then do us a video and share where you are. Show people who you are. That's what this is all about. Video is the best medium because it's show and tell, guys, okay? So what we've got coming up this week, because a bit of a change, in this particular week, we're actually now doing our training from next week, this week. So essentially, on Thursday at 9:30, we've got our camera confidence and presentation skills, which is a free webinar. Links are in the email, and basically you can book on. So then, because of the shift of what we're doing, unfortunately we've got a funeral to go to on Friday, so it's a bit difficult, and then the following week I'm away. This would normally be the following week, but anyway, I digress. Essentially, we've got our third session of our video editing workshop. Now, if you haven't booked onto that previously, then obviously you've missed the first two sessions, so don't worry about it. But in the afternoon at 3 o'clock on Thursday, we have our video marketing made easier with AI. Now, I've put together 10 ways that you can use AI to make your life a lot easier. Things like creating subtitle files. There's repurposing content using the video text and then making blogs and articles, etc., etc. It's quite a good little workshop. It does take the full hour from 3 till 4 o'clock because there is a lot to take in, but you also get a copy of all of the AI commands that I've got as well. So yes, don't forget to check out the weekly video tip in the email as well, which will help you with creating and using video. And remember, yeah, keep your bloopers. They will make a fantastic video in the future. They're really good at Christmas time, but it shows personality. It shows you're not taking yourself too seriously. We all make mistakes. I do my bloopers all the time. So keep creating, keep sharing, and don't forget, your next video might just be the one that gets someone to say, I need to work with them. Okay? So see you later. Cheers then. Bye-bye.